Hello everyone, welcome to the podcast from Campus to Corporate. So today we are spotlighting the story of our intern Vaishnavi. She is an amazing intern and she has successfully completed her journey at Hiring Lab Business Solution. We'll be talking about her experience, challenges and some memorable moments during her internship. So whether you are a student or a fresher and passionate about HR, so this one for you. Hi Vaishnavi. So welcome to the podcast.
Thank you.
Okay, so tell me a bit about yourself and where you are studying currently.
Thank you for asking. And my name is Vaishnavi. So basically, I'm from Madhya Pradesh, and my schooling is also done in my hometown. So my school name was Maharshi Vidya Mandir. So and then I think to pursue my BBA from Bangalore. So I'm pursuing my BBA from PS University. I'm a third year student.
So, how did you find about this internship at Hiring Lab Business Solution?
So I was going through the internshala, so I was looking for HR internship. So I saw so many companies. So I have read their GDs also. So what is the roles and responsibility I have to perform there. So when I saw the hiring labs and their JDs, so I find something interesting in that. So I search the company website and so I see what the company is doing and also the reviews of the clients and the candidates. Then I think I have to do my internship in Hiring Labs Business Solution.
So, why did you choose as for your internship at Hiring Lab Business?
So when I was going through a company website, so I saw this is a startup which started last year or before that. So I thought that if I started my career in a startup, so it will be very beneficial for me. So as I will get more exposure of performing the jobs. Like suppose if I am working right now, so I find like something I have doing everything which which will help me in the future to get more good opportunities.
Vaishnavi, tell me, what was your role and area of focus during internship?
So basically, I was hired as a HR intern in this company. So my role was to hire the candidates for my clients. So the area which I was focusing is on educational sectors.
That's great. Tell us about a typical day which you have faced during your internship.
So basically, the typical day in this internship which I faced was that when I was trying to connect with the candidates more and more, but not getting response from their side, so that demotivated me. And also the challenges which I faced during the internship, like even the candidates are also telling that okay, I will do this, I will go for the interview, but they are not turning up there. So that is the big challenge to make them for the to turn up for the interviews also to get the selection of their. So that is the thing.
Sounds great. So, and another question is, what were the most interesting or difficult project or task you worked on?
Basically, the typical task for me is that there's one client, so for which I was working. So for that, I felt that this is a difficult position for which I am not able to find a suitable candidate. If even I'm finding, but they are not turning up for the interviews also, and they are not even responding. So that is the thing which I find the typical more challenging for that.
Let's talk about your learning and growth part here at Hiring Labs. So tell me, Vaishnavi, what are the top 2 things you have learned during your time here?
Basically, the top 2 things which I learned in this internship is first of all managing time.
Okay.
So basically, when we are assigning some task or some certain targets, so for that we need to manage the time for certain period. You have to work on this and on this. So this is the thing which I learned, like how I can manage 2 or 3 works together at the same time. So this is the first thing, and the second thing is that working in a team. So this is the first thing. Like basically, before this, I have never worked in a team. So this is a new experience for me. Also, I get to know about how the corporates work. So this is the new skills which I can say that I develop a team working skills.
Okay, that's great. So how this internship contributed to your personal and professional growth?
Okay. So this internship, like in a professional, like if I say, this will actually give me more exposure on how the recruitment process work, how the corporates work, and how I have to perform the works or task in the future. This will help me a lot. And as a personal also, like if I say about my daily to daily life, it helped me a lot, like to manage the task not for the office but at the home. If I'm working after that, how will I manage? So that helps me a lot in my personal and the professional life.
Sounds interesting. So did you discover any new skills or strength in yourself during this time?
yeah, I'll discover one thing that if I am be a little bit confident of doing something, like yeah, I will do this, then I can do. And this happened with me in the last week when one new client came, and I thought, no, I have to do for this client, and I have to give one joiner or one or two joiners for this client. So when I am very confident and I will do for it, then I have did that. So that is the main thing which I find during the
That's
internship.
great, actually. So one thing is, which you told already, self-confidence is very important.
Yeah.
If you will go anywhere, self-confidence is mandatory. So let's talk about the team and culture in the organization. How would you describe the team culture at Hiring Labs?
So it is good because if as when I came first day for the
So
internship,
everyone sitting together and they are telling me some incident or previous incidents of their. So first day was like good, and apart from that, when it came for the work, they are helping me a lot for learning new things. If I am having any doubts, so they are clarifying me at that time only. So because as am I intern, so they are helping me a lot, and they are not thinking me that she is an intern, so let her be. They are explaining me everything, whatever I want from them.
Vaishnavi, did you feel supported and included as an intern? Can you give me some examples?
yeah, sure. So I feel very supported and engaged during this internship.
Mhm.
So basically, when we are pursuing some online internship, so in that internship, we are basically doing what?
We are screening first round of resume, and also the sometimes we are conducting telephonic call for the first round only. Then we are proceeding and sending the profiles with the manager. But here in this company, I was handling from from selecting, screening the resume to the onboarding of the client candidates. So that is a very great opportunity for me, which I work, because this gives me a clear picture of what the recruitment is all about, how the procedure is working, and also some examples if I give you, so that previously when I worked, so I was screening the resume and doing a first round of interview. So in that we are not getting more clarity of what the recruitment is all about and what is happening with the candidates after I was sharing the profiles. But here, when I share the profile, I was the only one who connected with the candidates. Also, if I need some feedback, I was going to the managers, ma'am or sir, please provide me a feedback for that. Then again, I am connecting with the candidates. So this is the thing which I get to know how this all works. Also, apart from working on the educational sectors, I also work for some other internals hiring that also make me proud that my manager or my seniors should find me suitable for do that. So that is the thing which I will suggest the other candidates also who want to pursue here, that this is a great opportunity for all of them to grow more in the future.
You means like you have learned end-to-end recruitment,
Yeah,
during your internship.
I definitely.
So let's talk about feedback and reflection, Vaishnavi. So what's one thing that Hiring Lab is doing really well when it comes to the internship?
Okay, so the first, as I just mentioned, that we are as an intern, we are doing everything what as a permanent employee doing. So the main thing which I will say the hiring labs doing for the interns is that they are not treating them as an interns. So they are thinking this is also a starting stage for them. So let them teach everything, so which will help them to grow more in the future. So as this was my first internship which I pursued offline. So when first day I came for the internship, I was very nervous and I was very curious what will I learn here and how will I deal with the things. So slowly I get to know about the processes, and also my managers and my seniors supported me a lot to learn the things. So if someone wants to start her career in the HR internship, they can start with this company. This will give more exposure about the HRs.
Good. So if you had to improve one aspect of the internship experience, so what would it be?
So basically, I will tell this is from my point of view, which I have did mistake during the internship, is that sometimes if I'm not getting the profiles or my candidates are not getting selected, I get demotivated, and sometimes I thought like it's let it be. I will work how much I'm getting, I will do that much only. But this is the biggest mistake the candidate is doing as an intern. If you are not getting, so we need to just think more about ourselves, like what is the wrong thing we are doing, and which I did. So when I get to know that this is the thing I'm doing, so I would like to suggest everyone not to do that. If you are getting demotivated, just think about that what you are doing wrong, then make it correct.
Looking back, is there any moment you will always remember from your time here?
So my first day when I came, so basically that day though I didn't work. I was just observing the things. So at that day we all were sitting together and we were discussing about the one of my colleagues, that is Chaitanya. She is very jolly type. So we were discussing about her and also my other manager and the seniors. We all were sitting and discussing like what is the things they were doing previously, how the experience they are having. This is the first thing, like when I entered in the organization, that day only they feel me very engaged and like supported from first day. That is the thing I will always remember.
Let's talk about the future outlook from your side, Vaishnavi. How do you think that this internship has shaped your future plans or directions?
Okay. So if I talk more about my future, so as I'm pursuing my BBA, in that I'm pursuing HR specialization. So in future also I have to pursue my career to do the job in HR. So as I did this internship in HR, so it will give more exposure that how the HR works. So if in future I'm going somewhere to do a job, so in that I will, from the previously I was already known with the processes and everything, which will help me to do a job very well. And also what are the mistake I have done in this internship, I will not repeat it again there. So this is the plus point for me to do more good in the job in future, and that will also will be, if I did great there, they will promote me maybe in a good position. That is the plus.
true actually.
Yeah.
Would you recommend hiring labs to other students as well, or freshers who is looking for a job?
Definitely, I will recommend.
Because as I told, this is a great platform, this is a great company you can work. As you're starting your career from a startup company, that it will be very good for you because they will teach you everything. If in the starting I thought like I also got one other offer, but that is from a big company, so it will take. So I thought if I'm going from in that company, then it will be like I have to work on a particular small project or something they will give me and I have to work because all the works will be handling by the seniors and all. But if you are starting from a small company, then you will get to know about the more in the details, because they will explain you from the everything as they are also. And if you are growing yourself with a startup company, that will be very great for the future.
So let's talk about the fun and personal thing. So if hiring labs was a person, how would you describe their personality?
So if hiring labs was a person, so it will be like if I will thought it as my friend, because as we are having conversation with our friends, very friendly, and like there's no serious conversation. So it's like that. Sometimes when they want, there should be a seriousness, there is. But when it's come to the joy and enjoyment, there is a lot of enjoyment with your colleagues and with everyone. So that will be I consider as my friend.
So one last question which I have, Vaishnavi, for you.
Yeah,
So
sure.
can you please describe the your internship experience in just 3 words?
That is very difficult question because I cannot explain my entire journey in 3 words during this internship. But I would like to say that this is a very great opportunity for me, and I'm very grateful that I came to the organization and I learned a lot from this company.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for such being valuable part of our organization and sharing your experience with us. So thank you so much again. To all our listeners, so if you enjoyed this episode, please follow us, share it, and stay tuned for such more interesting stories with us at Hiring Lab Business Solution. Stay in touch. Thank you so much.